Welcome to ArrangeWave. We're talking about how to set up your IAC driver. So if you're wanting to map a MIDI note that you've created to something in your session, you're going to have to set up IAC Driver. So we're going to hit Command-Shift to search for Audio MIDI Setup in your Mac. You're going to open it, go to Window, and down to Show MIDI Studio. You're going to click on IAC Driver and check the box to make it go online. Be sure to open up the MIDI section in Ableton's preferences to confirm that Ableton is seeing it. So let's go back. Let's try to map it again. We'll hit MIDI and stop. Didn't work again. So we need to set our output to IAC Driver. Once we've done that, it should work. There it is. It just wrote the stop. Let's check it. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we should talk about next.